Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Shein app. And here it opens up in the shop menu. From here we just go into the me menu, then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner. And then here we tap on manage my account and then tap on change password. Here we can type in our old password and then our new password twice, and then we can tap on submit, and afterwards our password is going to be changed to the new one. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.